or if you don't know what I've been doing right now, I've been studying physics. You can look at my book. I'm practicing physics numericals. Okay, many of them, and and I'm also using one of my science data book just to do many calculations. Well, right now the question I'm doing here is a proving question. So let's continue. I don't know how many viewers I will get. It's depending on the YouTube algorithm, but let's just continue. You know what? I'm not gonna give up. First of all, let's start off with something really weird, something very normal. Um, okay, you know what? Let's just check what we can do. All right. So AC can be written as. Oh, we can add them both. Can we? Can we do that? Let's check. So AC vector is equal to, let's say that it is a sum of AB vector plus BC vector. Is that fine? I mean, could be, okay. Then we got the first, that's the first equation though. Then there is a BD vector is equal to, that is going to be equal to BC vector plus uh CD. Okay, CD vector. Okay, got it. Now AB and CD, are they equal? Wait a minute, let's just check this out. Um, yes, could be. Here, the directions are opposite. Oh, I got it. We gotta notify the directions too. So here you go. CD, BC, and BD. Here it is, showing the directions from this side and this side. All right, so we get the idea that AB vector and CD vector, they're very different from what we know. Minus CD vector here. All right, adding both the equations. So add 1 and 2. All right, we are adding both the equations. This is gonna be here one step. Hi, hi. How are you doing? Hi. Princess Peach, Showtime. Princess Daisy. Hi, Mario, how are you? Hi, Minerva, Guadalupe, Lucer, Earl Garrick 3223. That's a very long name. Oi, fele, o meu nome, por favor. I do not understand you. Vivian Lima. Lauren Cash, hi. Hi, Lauren Cash. Hi. How are you? Hi. This is me, Totality Hio. How are you guys doing? That is cringing. Okay, that's cringing. Oh, shoot. Okay, if you don't know what I'm doing physics. Good. Nice. Hi. Yo! Nice to meet you guys. Okay, actually, I'm kind of happy seeing many people here. Wow. Thank you, everyone. Oh, wow. That makes me, feel like, oh, dang, many people are watching me now. That's the feeling that a person gets. Fale o meu nome é tres vezes por favor. Sorry, bro, if I cannot. I don't know whether I said that correctly or not. I'm not good in saying languages. Is this? I have no idea. It either looks French or Spanish. I have no idea. It's all good. Nice. I like the emojis. I like that optimism. Nice. I like that. I like that these people, those viewers who are watching me, are optimistic. Nice. I'm glad to hear that. That's very nice. Hi, Chicken Nugget 27639. How are you doing? Hi. How are you? I'm gonna subscribe. Oh, thank you. Hi, thank you, Lauren Cash. Thank you. You know what? Um, you're gonna be my moderator. Yeah. I give something pretty heavy duty, huh? I just give him one. I'll give her one small duty. Oh, thank you, chicken nugget. Thank you very much. Oh, that makes me. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, wow. Wow, thank you very much. Whoa, I don't know how to repay you guys. Man, that makes me like, feel like, oh, shoot, that's crazy. I never seen these people and then they're subscribing to me. Wow, man. Hi, Vivian Lima. How are you doing? How are you doing, Vivian Lima? Wow. What's this? Yep, this is minus CD vector. And this gets cut out. We get 2 BC vector. Yep. Subtract 1 and 2. Alright. Oh, that's a lot of increase. Oh my bad. Right. Yo, hi. Hi, 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 hi. Hi. Thank you for the subscribing. I'm so grateful. Because, if anyone subs to me like this, I feel very, like, happy. I don't know why. This shows that, yes, I have more supporting fans now. Subscribers is not like a number. It's like, having lots of lots of fans. I just don't see it as a number. I see it as a number of people who are supporting, who are like, coming along with me. Wow, thank you very much, guys. Appreciate it. Hi, Katie Erapin. Katie Erapin. Yeah, 4748. Hi, hi, hi. How are you doing? How are you doing, guys? Hi. How are you guys doing? Okay. What's up? I'm fine. I'm fine. And what's up? You can see there's nothing up. I'm just joking. That was very cringe. There's nothing up. See? It's just white ceiling. I'm just joking, guys. I'm just joking, okay? You know, just to make it more just to make it more humorous. Mm-hmm. AC minus BD here. So AB vector plus hi. I can see your messages. Um, Katie Erapin. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Sometimes the usernames that I say. Hi. Okay, I think you're spamming. I'm not sure. Kinda looks like you're spamming here, but it's fine. I won't get bothered. Oh shoot. How many highs? Hi. You know what? I'm gonna wave my hand like this. Okay. Oh shoot. How many highs are those? Oh shoot. Okay, you're my number one fan, I see. I don't do that. I know it's a spam here, but it's fine. I understand. I won't get intrigued. It's fine. Minus BC vector, minus CD vector. Here we go. And we have AB vector minus CD vector. Taking that AB minus CD, that is going to be minus AB vector is equal to CD vector. That will be a positive AB vector, and therefore we get AC vector minus BD vector high is equal to 2AB vector. Um, okay. Oh, nice. That's great to hear. That's great to hear. Ouch. Hi. Hi again. Oh, I'm cool, dude. I won't be angry. Don't worry. I won't be angry. AC vector minus BD vector is equal to hi. Yo, what is going on here? This is actually a bit weird. Not gonna lie. Okay. What is going on? Okay, go back. Go to YouTube. YouTube, going to YouTube. Okay, alright, let's go. You guys can do this, okay? Oh my god, look at this. Look at it, man. It blanks out. Hmm. Okay, you know what? I have one crazy idea. If you guys sub, I will try doing 10 minutes extra studying, okay? Let's do that. Okay? Let's see. Extra study. I'm gonna look at my sub count then. Start Q&A? Okay. Let's do this. Let's do it, okay? Open YT productive mode. Let's check it out. I'm gonna look at my channel and looks like I got, oh, okay. Oh, shoot, oh, shoot. Oh, switch that account up. Switch that account. Switch that account. Okay, okay. This is gonna be very weird. I see. Uh, oh shoot. No. How am I gonna look at my stream now? Okay. We got 3 subs in total. Nice, I see. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, okay? I'm here, right here. I'm streaming here, okay? Don't worry. Alright, and here we are. Okay, there has been a lot of spams, but I won't get affected by that. It's fine. Hmm? Mm-hmm. 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 How am I gonna check the sub count though? That's the thing, right? Yes. Let's do that. Okay, I'm gonna check my sub count and we'll understand through this method. So what I'm gonna do, take the charger, put it here with this cable connector. Connecting it with a cable like this. Then we're gonna connect it with this one like this, and let's see how many people will be coming and subscribing. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, we're gonna do this. There are very less people watching me, but it's fine. I'm still gonna continue. Next question. Oh, okay, nice. We got a booster. We gotta check this out. Um, okay. Let's see. I have to like check this out. Next question. Next question. Okay, or else we can practice this again. See, how does it show AC vector is equal to AB vector plus BC vector? That's the main question, right? Yeah, like this should be something to explain. But this does not explain it that well, by the way. Yeah, that's the thing. It's like not explaining it elaborately. Like it's not going through that, not much of a thing. Yeah, but let's not give up. We're gonna move on, and yes, we're gonna rock and roll. All right. CD vector plus BC vector. No, 80 vector. Oh, yep, 80 vector. There's a diagonal, and there's a diagonal here too. There are actually creating some sides, and those sides being created, we will be doing those methods here. Okay, and don't worry if you I will check my sub count, and whenever you subscribe to my channel, I will do that 10 minutes extra study. Okay, I will get the track of it, so don't worry. I have my phone right here. I will check my phone and I will get the ideas of how many people are subbing to me and how many are not. Okay, so 40 minutes in total to be studied. All right, got it clear. I'm getting it clearly, nicely. All right, so that is a great method here. I'm getting it clearly, nicely. All right. Okay, nice. Let's go. So 40 minutes in total. Nice, it's great. AC vector, that is AB vector, is equal to, or no, minus CD vector. That is a method here we need to understand. So AC vector is equal to, wow, thank you for the subscribers, man. Thank you very much. It makes me really happy. Really, really happy. Oh, shoot. But I gotta study. So that's the main thing. You guys, I should give you a shout out, by the way. But I don't know how many subscribers I do have right now. Like, I just gotta check that out. Like, do what? Okay. Okay. Leaving my channel. Alright. We are getting it. We're getting through this. Okay. Now, AC vector is equal to AB vector plus BC vector. Now, I took this as minus CD vector. No, wait, why not add them both? So, AC vector plus BD vector is equal to, let's say it's gonna be AB vector plus BC vector plus CD vector plus AD vector. Okay, that is very big. So AC vector plus BD vector, by adding this we get AB vector plus BC vector, mm, and something else. What is that pinpoint thingy? Oh no, wait, don't forget that, boy. It's minus CD vector being equal to AB vector. Okay, you might not understand what I'm saying here, but this method makes me feel like, yes, I'm really studying for real. So, yep, just checking it out, and yep, okay, not a problem. Taking some time, it's fine. BC vector, AB vector here, alright, and um this will be minus CD, right? So yeah, this will get cut off, this one, and this will be given here. Alright, got it. And what else? What else can we do here that we need to know for main ensuring that yes, this should be done here in this side as well. So yeah, we gotta like, bam, you gotta understand that. So we are gonna take two of these, that is the BC vector being equal to CD vector, by the way. That's the main part that is taken here as a place, as a form, as a method. Let's go. We're gonna understand this normally and slowly. Okay, it's fine. We are doing it great. We're applying the method. Okay, so AC vector plus BD vector is equal to 2 into BC vector. But how is that possible? Because CD and minus CD gets cut off. So that is there. Then BC is equal to CD. That's how we got this another one. Yep, that's how we got another one. And that's the method of actually, like, understanding this theoretical stuff, the theoretical part. So, yep. Okay, got this one here. Roger that. We roger that. Okay. Okay. Not gonna lie, it's fun. It's very, very fun. I like that. I like that. Okay, nice. Looks like we are doing great overall, guys. Now, up to this, we have completed our full vectors concept. Now we are moving on to the projectile motion concept. That is the questions which we'll be studying from the projectile motion. Okay, wait, I think there is some questions here. No, okay, not this one. We'll do it later. We have to practice them afterwards. But for now, we gotta like check for the projectile motion questions. So, okay, we got some. A shell is fired at an angle of 30 degrees. So we got a projectile motion question. Theta is 30 degrees. Nice. There's another thing we need to know here. Okay. What is it based on? Let's just find it out. Okay. I'm gonna switch my account now. Let's switch the count and get the idea of how many people are now going through it. Okay, so okay, nice, nice, nice. Theta is 30 degrees. Then we have velocity with the horizontal. Okay, it is done. It is fired at an angle 30 degrees with the horizontal, which means that it could be like, a oblique projectile motion because it's being fired at an angle of 30 degrees. So that is the main thing we need to know. Then the velocity here is, suppose I would say, is 196 meter per second. That is the initial velocity. We have taken this as the one main thing. So we need to find the time of flight. So let's say that I want to show you some experiment. Okay, I will take this pen, I will take this, and bam! Oh, did that pen vanish? Okay, never mind. The projectile motion is taking place like this. It goes from this way and then it lands here. That is your projectile path, the parabolic path. It comes from this side and bam, this ends like this. So it's overall, if I draw this, it should be a parabolic path. Yeah, or it's gonna be like a curvy path. You know what's a curvy path, right? Like it's not like a straight line. It's just like, being curved. It kind of makes a curved line like this. So that is known as a projectile motion. The object moves from one position to the other position through the help of this curve, and this curve is known as a parabola. And if we understand the motion, it's going to be called as a projectile motion. Why? If you had played Minecraft, you know that skeletons shoot arrows, right? Yes, skeletons shoot arrows. Now these arrows they shoot are known as projectiles. Why? Because they are known as like a long range weapons, where you're actually using like a bow and arrow, and you're gonna like launch an arrow, and suppose I'm gonna target you. I target you with the help of this, and the pen literally launches at you, and that's how it kind of blasts you off. But that is applying some physics, and we need to understand that. Okay, okay, this is very weird, guys. I have no material to just show you how I'm doing this. You know what? I have an idea. So let's apply something here, okay? Oh, oh, let's do it. Or let's switch up to this position, okay? We are gonna take a graph. This graph, you gotta see this, this is gonna be interesting. I take it here, and I'm gonna make a projectile parabolic path like this, okay? Now here the object has some initial velocity. The initial velocity is given as 196 meter per second. Okay, we got this as 196 meter per second. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. All right, the object has been thrown from this distance. It is going through this kind of curvy path, and yes, you gotta get the idea of what is going on here. This 196 meters is your u, that is your initial velocity. You can see through this that I'm writing here. Sorry, my bad, I'm a lefty person, so I'm covering most of the writing here. But yes, you can understand through this method. Also, when I launch them, there is an angle created, that is your theta, and this angle theta, I think it's 30 degrees. Yes, the angle created here is 30 degrees. Now let's find the time of flight. Time of flight is given by a formula known as 2u sine theta by g. This is your formula, 2u sine theta by g. Now what is let's understand the each and every term here. 2 is of course a number, mathematical number. U is the initial velocity. It's basically speed with direction. Then we have sine theta, which is a trigonometric ratio. Trigonometry is basically a mathematical branch that we study in mainly in mathematics once we grow in when once we go in higher classes, and this is one of them. This is known as a trigonometric ratio, that is sine theta. And then theta is an angle, by the way, if you don't know. It's just an angle that we have been studying throughout geometry in mathematics. And then g. G is basically acceleration. That's how fast the speed changes or how fast the velocity changes. That is this g. Now this g is actually influenced by gravity, so we are going to call it as acceleration due to gravity. So this is going to be something very interesting to know. So t is equal to 2u sine theta by g. All right, so 2 here, and then we got u as 196. So we're going to multiply this, and sine theta, that's sine 30. What is sine 30? Let's solve it here. Sine 30. Um, Sine 30. How am I gonna do this? Sine 30, it's gonna be, I guess, 1 by 2. So here it's gonna be 1 by 2 here by g. Let's take g as 10 meter per second as approximate second square as approximate value. But the exact value should be g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. But then we can take the approx value. It's fine, it's not gonna hurt at all. So I'm just gonna take the approx value, and I will get the answer. It's gonna be still fine. So by taking the approx value, I get here g as 10. All right, I cut the twos off, and nice, I got this. Overall, the time of flight I'm getting is 196 by 10. That is 19.6 seconds. 19.6 seconds is the answer here. Ouch, my arm is hurting right now. It's hurting so bad. So yes, that's the time of flight. Let's just write it down in my notebook just to practice it off. And yep, here we go. We're doing great here, guys. Um, we're doing great, and all right, that's great. Okay, so overall we have done this method. So t is equal to 2u sine theta by g. All right, that is much better. So t is equal to 2 into initial velocity into sine theta by g. Now this 2 into 196 divided into sine theta, that is 1 by 2 here because it's 30, divided by g, that is 10 meter per second. Let's say this is going to be 1, this is going to be 196 by 10, that is overall 19.6 meter, sorry, 19.6 seconds. That is our overall time of flight. Now let's find out the horizontal range. What is our horizontal range? The horizontal range has a formula. Let's do that now. Just give me a second. I'm gonna take this, and I overall have my tissue here. Okay, let's get the horizontal range. Okay, getting the horizontal range. Let's say I'm gonna take here this one. Okay, now, what's the range formula of horizontal range? Okay, horizontal range is basically the distance from here to here. Okay, so that is r, and taking r, that is r is equal to ux. That's the horizontal velocity. You see, the velocity can be split into two components. That is here ux and uy. Okay, u vector, that is ux vector, and uy vector. All right, it's gonna split into those two components. Similarly, that's what is happening. This is your uy vector, and this is your ux vector, the initial velocity where the x horizontal velocity is moving upon this, and then the time of flight, that is your small t, suppose I would say. Now, in order to get the value of horizontal range, what I'm going to do is I'll just put up the formula, that is u cos theta into, let's say this is your 2u sine theta by g, and then I'm gonna multiply them. So it's gonna be u square 2 sine theta cos theta by g. Okay, so 2 sine theta cos theta is basically a trigonometric identity that gives us u square sine 2 theta by g. Whew, my arm is hurting, man. It's crazy. It's fine though. It's fine. Okay, let's go. Anyways, our value, u square sine 2 theta by g. Let's find the value for this one. All right, we ain't giving up. All right, let's do it. So, R here. What's given for you? 196 square. Okay. Sine 2 theta. 30 is the value of theta, so it's going to be sine 60 because it's 2 theta. So sine 60 divided by 10. Okay, that is the question we are going to use. So 196 here, okay, that is going to be 196 square into root 3 by 2 divided by 10. Got it? Here I can take this inside, so it's gonna be like 196 square root 3, and this is gonna be by 20. Now I can use my science data book to calculate and get the answer for this one, but I am not sure whether I can do this right here itself. But so I think I gotta not use the board right now because it's a very pretty long calculation right here. So just give me some time, okay? It's gonna be taking some time. It's not gonna be that easy, of course. Let's check the yeah. Okay, only 40 minutes because only 4 subscribers have came overall and subscribed to my channel. If anyone subscribed to my channel, like if there is this one subscriber, then yes, it's gonna be overall 50 minutes of studying. Now it's 40 minutes of studying, but yes. Um, U squared sine 2 theta by g. All right, all right, all right. Now, r is equal to, yes, it is going to be u squared sine 2 theta by g. Okay, that's fine. That's great. Okay, nice. But we need to actually get something here closer. What's the way we need to get something which is very important and very closer? That is 196 square sine 2 theta, that's sine 60, and that is g here, that is your 10 meter per second square. Now 196, oh man, calculations, let's just do it. You know what, I really don't like calculations that much, but let's just do it. 6 6 are 36, 6 9 are 54, and that is gonna be 57. And here, because 54, okay, 6 9 are 54. I'm using carryover, that's fine. 6 1 is 6, that is here, okay, 6, and that's 5 here, so it's 1 1 here. So it's 9 6 are 54, 9 9 is 81, okay. Here 9 1's a 9, 17, 0 0, that is 6 9 1. All right, let's go. We got this. Okay, what is going on here? Okay, no, everything's fine. 6 11, that is 12 or 13, okay, 14, okay, so 6 is 12, 13, 14, 4 here, 1 1 1 9, okay, 9 and 9 18. So yep, okay, we got this. So overall it's 38,416, which is a really big number. Then we get a root 3 by 2 divided by 10. Now I can do something here. Okay, I can just take 38,416 into root 3. That by taking this I get 20. Now I divided by 38,416 with 2. Okay, so this is gonna be like a 2 here, so it's 2 on the 2 here. Of course, this is easy. This is gonna be here 9, and that is gonna be done easily here too. Then this is 4 2 here again. Nice, easy, easy. I feel like this is not gonna be hard at all. Then yep, all right, bam, and we get it. We are getting it. So that's 19208 equal. Okay, we're doing it. So here we have 19208 root 3 by 10. That is 1920.8 into 1.732. Okay, this is going to be using my log book. Let's use this book and get the answer. So let's say that I have very big calculation. So I'm going to do it right here. This is the one. Yep, okay, got it. Then okay, let's use it here. That is going to be 3.2833. All right, then we have 1.732. Okay, okay. We have 1.732. How am I gonna do this? Let's check this out. All right. No, okay, it's fine. No, it's fine. I'm not bothered about that. It's fine if nobody watches my stream like this. It's great. It's nice to see and understand about this. So yes, we get this, and then 1.732, 17, then 3 here, then 2380, then 2. Where's 2? Here it is. So 5. So 2385. 0.2385, and I like add this all, and I should be getting 8 here. I should be having here 11, then I should be using 12, then here 4, 5, and here it's 3. 3.5218. 3.5218, and anti-log of that, let's find this one out. So anti-log of 3.5218, let's go with 52. Okay, where is 52, 52, 52, where is 52 here? 52, okay, 18, okay, 5218, 5213319, 8 is 6. So here it is. That is 15, and this is 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 5. So this is gonna be overall like 3, 3, 2, 5. That is a very long range right there, my boy. That is so long. I'm not sure whether that's correct though. Huh? चलो बेटा तुम जाओ सो जाओ अरे नहीं पढ़ लो कहाँ तो कितने घंटे करता है 1 बजे हाँ 1 बजे Alright, this is gonna be the answer. It's gonna be very, very complex, but overall, yeah, I mean, it's fine. It's great to understand that, yes, it's overall like messing up and understanding. Okay, I think I was close. I was a bit close here. Okay, it gives me something very big answer, but then, yep, I got it. It's close. It's close. Anyways, okay. Yep, I was close. Okay, guys, I was a bit close. So 3.325 into 10 raised to 3 meters, or it's gonna like in kilometers. That's actually a bit interesting to know. Now, maximum height. Okay, uh, let's check the maximum height attained. So h is equal to u squared sine squared theta by 2g. So I'm gonna use this here. Now u square, what is u square sine square theta by 2g? U square 196 square sine square theta. What is sine square theta here? Sine 30, right? So that is 1 by 2 square 1 by 4. 1 by 4. All right. Okay, we're gonna get this 20 here. Let's go. Let's go. We're grinding. Let's go. We're grinding here, guys. You're taking this. You're getting 100. Then 196, 196, 38416 here, and then divided by 100, we get it as 1, 2, 3, the 1, 2. So we're getting 384.16 meters overall. 384 point, sorry, height. Yes, that's the height. All right, let's move on to the other question. Question number 17. We are not gonna give up. The question here is says, cricketer turned through a ball to a max horizontal distance of 100 meters. How much height above the ground began the cricketer throw the same ball? So, throw a ball to a max horizontal, throw the same ball. All right. Okay. Horizontal distance as r, 100 meters. And they want me to find out the height, which I don't know. So let's do that. R is overall 2 u square sine 2 theta. No, wait. R is, yup, u square sine 2 theta by g. Alright. That is done. And overall, we are doing it, guys. We are not giving up. We can do this. Oh, sure. Oh, yeah. We are not giving up, guys. We are not at all giving up. If we do not give up, we can get on forward. We are not gonna give up. We are not We are not gonna give up. Okay, we are gonna do it. Let's go. Okay. So r is equal to u squared sine 2 theta by g. R is 100. Okay, and what is height? Height is u squared sine square theta by 2g. All right, that's the difference, huh? That's the difference. If we could return to a ball of a max of horizontal distance of 100 meters, how much height above the ground can the cricket return the same ball? All right, this is gonna be interesting here. We don't know the value of u squared sine squared 2 theta by g, but can we find the relation for this? Just think about it. So taking this, okay. Oh shoot, I don't know how I'm gonna like find a relation for this. Hmm. So okay, this is interesting. R by 2 u squared sine 2 theta by 2g. Then here we have this. All right. Okay. This is a bit complex though. You know what? I have an idea. A really great idea. Take this, okay? Let's say I will have u squared. Here r, then I will take u squared 2rg by sine 2 theta. Okay, here the same thing, 2hg by sine square theta. Okay, sine square theta. All right, this is gonna be our u square. This is our first equation. This is our second equation. By having this, so 2rg sine 2 theta is equal to 2hg sine 2 theta. Okay, so how is it going to be overall like a method to understand this, huh? Okay. Oh, sine 2 theta here and sine square theta. Okay, and here we go. 2 g, and here we have it. Okay. Now this is a problem though. How am I gonna get height? So height is sine square theta, right? Yep, it is. Then this is 100 by sine 2 theta. Let's just check it out, okay? So 100 divided by 2 sine theta cos theta, alright, is equal to h by sine square theta. So 100, it's like gonna be 50 sine square theta by 2, sorry, sine theta. Is it? Okay, sine theta by cos theta is equal to h. Then we don't know whether this is possible, but then I'm getting 50 tan theta is equal to h. Is it enough? The same ball. They did not give me the initial velocity. But what can we get from it? 2 sine theta. Oh, Okay, let's check this out. Let's find it. Scroll down here. This is interesting though. So, wait, did it say max? Oh, oh, wait a minute. Oh, I did not know that. Oh, wait. So theta is 45. Oh, shoot, I did not know that. Oh, could have been 50 meters then. Oh, wait. Oh, shoot, yes, I could have got that answer. Oh, shoot, I could have got that answer. Oh, tan 45. Oh, I should read the question carefully next time. Oh, I was so close. But yeah, I actually got it now. Question number 18. Here it comes. Find the angle of projection at which horizontal range and max height of the projectile are equal. So, h is equal to u square sine square theta by 2g, and here r is equal to u square sine 2 theta by 2g. Alright, so it says that the angle of projection max height, okay, so it's gonna be like u square sine square theta by 2g is equal to u square sine 2 theta by 2g. Cutting these all out, then we are getting that h is equal to r because that's the question given here, right? That's why. So sine square theta, and then we get 2 sine theta cos theta, and then what else? We take it out the denominator, sine square theta by 2 sine theta cos theta. Then we have this. All right. Okay. So this is overall sine theta getting cut out. Tan theta by 2 is equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to 2. Theta is equal to tan inverse of 2. That means I need to use my book, logbook. Let's use that and check the answer. Okay. 2. Where is 2 exactly given? I don't know what these represent. $63 degrees, huh? I'm getting 63 degrees as math approximate here. It says 76. What? How 4? You what? Oh no, did I forget something? Oh, I accidentally added this. Oh, it shouldn't be there. Oh, okay. Man, formula mistake. But yes, I'm getting so close, guys. I can solve the questions now. It gives me confidence because I'm capable of solving some questions now. I'm happy. Kind of happy based on that. So we are not gonna give up. Alright. H is equal to u square sine square theta by 2g, and here r is equal to u square sine 2 theta by g. Here u square sine 2 theta by g is equal to u square sine square theta by g. So cutting these 2g, here cut this out, this out, this out, and this is overall 2 sine 2 theta by sine square is equal to sine square theta here. Now we're gonna take this as overall 2 into 2 sine theta cos theta, and overall we'll get here this as sine square theta. Okay, so here this is 4 and this is overall sine square theta by sine theta cos theta, and here it is 4 is equal to tan theta, which I really need to find that answer out. So we're going to use Clark's table. So using that Clark's table, which we are, as you can see here, this is a Clark's table. I'm going to use that out, that also known as the Kelsey table. Okay, we are going to use this. So I don't know at what angle are we going to get the value. All right. Yeah. Tan theta as 4. Tan theta is 4. Oh, yeah. That's weird. Also, yeah, I kind of like surpassed this. Did I? 60 minutes more and I kind of complete the thing. Still, okay, we did pretty much great today. 4 subscribers. So 27 more to go, guys. We're doing great. We're doing great. 51 and 23 today. We did it. We're doing great, guys. We're not giving up. Natural tangents. Hmm. It's 76 degrees. Okay. Tan theta as 76 degrees. Now I get it. It's fine. It's fine. Let's now find out the value. Whew, this is not at all easy, guys. It's taking some. It will be really hard at first, but you cannot give up at the same time. Okay. Projectile thrown from a point 39.2 meters away from the foot of a building. And just reaches the top horizontally. Alright. We're gonna find the velocity first. So it is an oblique projectile. It is an oblique projectile motion. Here we go. Here we have Hi is Yanizu 3964. Hi is Yanizu 3964. How are you doing, my guy? How are you doing? Oh, is he there? Oh man. Oh, wait, he can come back. Just wait a minute. Let's just look at it. Oh wow. Wow. Okay. seven questions more to go for projectile motion. Then we're gonna start off with our uniform circular motion. Very important topic. Thrown from a point. Let's understand this. This. Okay. There's an angle that I need to find. The projectile pxy, that is here, angle created alpha. Angle of throw. Projectile is thrown from the point 29.2. Oh. I think it's describing alpha, not theta here. Let's see. Thrown from the point. Okay. $39.2 or 19.6 meters. Okay. So let's find out the value of u here. G is 9.8 meter per second square. Okay. Velocity of the projection and angle of throw. Okay. So what we find angle of throw could be alpha, but then what's a theta? Oh, I knew there was something wrong here. Okay. Looks like, yeah, we have like overall done a lot of live streaming here. Yes, let's just keep continuing on what R is 39.2. Mm-hmm. Uh, dark circles around. This is what we have done overall. Yeah, there are a lot of pimples. Like there are lots of pimples. That was very weird. Let's continue. What? Then how the other two? What happened to that other two? But I'm still confused. What is going on? Huh? Still a bit confused. I feel like the angle of projection is wrong. That's what I feel like. How the hell is that possible then? There's a doubt in this question. Let's check this afterwards. Okay. Okay, u square sine 2 theta by g. Then there is another one, u square sine 2 theta 90 minus theta by g. This is the one. Let's check this out. Okay, RHS. So 180 minus 2 theta by g. Now 180 minus 2 theta. What does that signify though? Okay, sine 180 minus 2 theta. Alright, gotta understand that. This is sine 2 theta here, right? Just think about it. 180 positive, this was sine 2 theta here. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. What? It's gonna take some time for this one. Let's do this question again. Small problem this one. Okay. Here we go. A parabolic path is created. Then initial velocity. Then, okay. Here there is u, ux, and uy, u cos theta. Then this is your u sine theta. Here it is gonna be, okay, so you're saying that I have to find the what exactly are, oh, it could be at any instant, then it could be something sensible. All right, okay. um R is 39.2 meters, h is 19.6 meters high. Should be 2h is equal to r. R formula, u square sine 2 sine square theta by g. Sorry, sine 2 theta by g. And h is u square sine 2 theta by g. U square sine square theta by 2g. Alright. So this is like 2 into u square sine square theta by 2g. U square is 2 sine theta cos theta by g. The thing is, it's making me a bit confused. How's that angle of projectile varying? Shouldn't be this thing. Like, what is the main purpose? It's not talking about the maximum though, right? Let's check this out. Wait a minute, guys.